Kathy here from kathyskutekreations. Today I'm going to do a short little video and talk to you about TOPIA, which is through the Fat Quarter Shop, and it is for Make-A-Wish. This is the box. If you buy it, it's already in its own box. This is just the front now. This is not the back fabric. If you want, you can buy the backing, and it comes in a box that looks like this. You will get in this box here, you'll get all the fabric for the back, the directions, and you will get a mouse pad. In the first box, you will get all this fabric that I have laid out here, and I'm going to show it to you. You will get triangle paper. This is 3" on a roll here. Hopefully that light's not too glaring. This is a half rectangle trimmer, which looks like that. This is how it comes, like this, in a package. Hopefully you can see that. And there is the card that came with it for the quilt along. Now I'll put all the information about getting it at the Fat Quarter Shop down down in the directions. But let me go ahead and show you the fabric layout that I have here on the table. This is strictly for the top now. This is not the back. Now I have all of mine marked. This here color is going to be the binding. And if you'll note, when you get to here, it's 2. These are all fat quarters. You're going to be using these 2 colors more than once, so it's 2 fat quarters instead of 1, because it's in 2 different areas. Otherwise, everything else is a fat quarter. Now, if you get the box, you will get all the directions. You will get the fabric requirements. It is coming out in February. I'm going to be doing the video here shortly. Here is the fabric requirements. You can go on there. They would like you to donate $5 if you want to just get the pattern and you do not want to get the kit, because you can do this in your own colors. Now for this month, February, they are releasing 2 blocks. One is called Over and Under Block, and the second block is called Bright Futures Variation. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do both of these. There's one. You can see the title on it. And the second one. The title there. I'm going to go ahead and do these right now so that you can see them. And I believe this video will be up next week. I think it's either next week or the week after. I'm not sure. This today is the 1st of February for me. So this is me getting it and putting it together, and then I'll have to edit and everything before it goes up. See you soon.